a force. Yeah, blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus.
All right, folks, good morning and welcome to Smile Jamaica. It's morning time, January 4 already. 4.
I believe it.
Yeah. So I'm not about to tell you what is going to happen right after January 4. But
Christmas.
we welcome everyone. That's it. On onespotmedia.com, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat at SmileJamTVJ, and also on televisionjamaica.com. Great to have you with us. Nice and cool this morning, outside and in. But we're there. And we hope you're there with us. School starts Monday. Why? Sorry,
Tuesday for some.
How did you just start?
No, it's been a long holiday.
No.
No, man, if you have kids, it's been a long
But for the
holiday.
kids,
You
I'm
need to
supporting
go
the
back
kids
to school.
here. No, they don't need to go back to school.
school.
Not yet. Give them a couple more days now, miss.
No.
Sir.
I mean, yes and no, because with school comes the attendance, homework that invariably we have to help with.
Thank you.
But when
And
that's
it makes
home,
your
they
day
don't have
longer.
anything to do. So they call you every minute and they're like, Mommy, I'm bored. Can I this or can I that?
Yeah,
And,
what's wrong with that?
and then you become their playmate.
And what's wrong with that?
Sometimes you're tired. You can't play dolly all the time. Anyway, let me not
Anyway,
broadcast my struggles.
yeah, y'all have to get ready for school on Monday. Unfortunate, but it's good because you need it. You need school because that's the way you're gonna get smart and get your subjects and go off to university, and then you start making some money and you start having a family, and so it's a what do you call that? Things evolve. Is that what you call that?
You're aspiring to greatness, and
Yeah.
school is a good way to do it.
Yep.
I must tell you, I've been very appreciative of the lack of traffic on the
man.
road, even though there's still been a little toops.
Yeah, man.
But the break was
It's true.
nice
It's
for
true.
Christmas.
I saw this picture at a barber shop long time ago. So it's this fancy house with about 6 or 7 big-time cars parked outside the different garage doors, you know, like Firebird and Lamborghini and all kind of stuff. And the caption says, "A reason to finish school."
Oh. Okay. I mean, not everybody wants that, but
Yeah,
whatever
but-
your aspiration
Yeah,
is.
but I understand the concept. The concept was saying if you finish school, hopefully you'll get a good job.
By
And
the way,
hopefully you can.
Virgin, you see Brida carry them who coming to Jamaica? Have you seen them?
I have seen
Isn't
that.
there a Lambo here? There's a Lambo
seen
here.
them.
There's a another one.
Look
I
from
don't
when
even
I
know
say
about. But
Humvee and
no, but there are
Jaguars,
there are a
yeah.
couple that came in over the Christmas season. Jody, tell me what their name. I don't remember.
It's
I
not
mean,
Lamborghini.
very, very high end.
yeah, man. And we have
cars.
Porsche now,
So
and we're a big time country.
telling you,
We're a
go
big
on,
time
go
country.
on.
What's up this morning on the program?
On the program this morning, if you've hopped on the gym train for 2019 or just for the beginning of 2019, however long it lasts, you're going to want to jazz up your workout with Shani McGraham Shirley. She's really good, but she don't play. She's stopping by this morning to add some pizzazz to your session.
You made a resolution? Even one? You can share it?
Yeah,
What is it?
it's to be more open,
What does that mean?
more open to the universe.
So you did close to the universe?
More open
What
to
that
the
mean,
universe
though?
and its possibilities.
What
So
that mean?
it means thinking
Yeah, well, more-
outside my comfort zone, doing things that I wouldn't usually have done, entertaining thoughts that I would not usually have entertained, and just trying to come off the existing side of
Give
life
me a
and
thought
try and
that
live
you
a little
don't
bit.
normally entertain that you think you might entertain this year.
I can't share that one with you,
Oh.
but thanks for asking. Colson, Colson, when you go to your yard?
Wait no man. When the car just lock up Coulson for about 2. I love him still, I'm a brother.
What did he say? Tell me what he said.
Him just said, Coulson.
Yeah.
I said,
What did he-
open up to your response. Me, I said,
Colson
Coulson.
is mine. No, that one, okay. Colson will talk off the hair.
All right, and dancing is another way to sweat off the pounds, folks. And Dancing Dynamites is back on the calendar, and they're very loud And I mean, no, I don't mean lovable.
No,
I
the
mean
prompter
very
says
low.
lovable.
It's not me. I'm not saying lovable. I'm sorry, Karine. It's nice and thing, but I'm not saying lovable. She's very loud. Jenny. It's my sister.
I can't. I'm tired already. I'm tired already.
I know
Walking out with Jenny.
Interview.
Danique also stopping by with some refreshing news from Lifespan.
And in your lifespan, you're going to want to make the most of your time here. This young man is off to a great start, although he still go Woolmer's. Why them bring Woolmer's youth? Why not a George's youth? But it's a good school, it's a good youth. Kyle Billings is an entrepreneur, and I'm in sixth form. And I'm going business, and I'm juggling school and stuff. So, great story.
I had a meeting with Mr. Webber yesterday, and he took out his cup, STGC. You know how easy, you know? Yes, I see it. This is very nice, by the way. Do you guys make this at the school?
Actually, my nephew gave this to me for Christmas.
This is lovely.
Najee apparently made this.
No way, he needs to do some
Well, I don't know if
more.
he make it or him bring it in or him order it.
They're very nice.
Yeah. Oh,
Has it pressed
sorry,
on it?
camera. Come again. Sorry. See,
And so this is the emblem.
yeah, let's see.
What does it say? Ad Majorem Dei Gloria.
Dei Gloriam, which means to the greater glory of God. There you
Yeah.
go. ST.
And your principal was just named Principal of the Year.
We in things. We in things.
Well,
All
you
them
in
need is
something.
all them need is a good football coach. Now everything all right.
I was just...
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Come on,
it's
and
true.
maybe a
Them
track
need a good football coach.
maybe a
all
track
right.
coach.
Eh? Well, them need a track team. They need a track team.
Oh, gosh.
Listen, man, it's very few schools win champs and we win it 2 times. So I want to stop that. 1932 and 1936. Jody was about 14. But we win it 2 times and we win schools challenge and we win all kinds of things that many schools don't win all kinds of things. So they leave my school alone.
It's my brother's school, you know.
Thank
so
you
I
very
don't-
much.
I'm not Immaculate Brother School.
Leave
So
my school alone. I will reach final and lose. If they have a better coach, they would have win.
it's true. I agree.
We
You
agree.
really
Which
need
part
to-
you agree?
The coach part.
That is your coming out to the universe.
No, me entertain that talk a long time. That's not a new one. Anywho, as Nev said, Kyle, juggling business and school, and we'll be doing some juggling ourselves. That's the aim of the game. In something to smile about this morning, we have got some balloons in the back, and we're going to use those. But before we blow any hot air, we're not blowing them up,
No, and we're not going to hot topics yet. The record to juggle 3 balloons, it must be 11 minutes, world record. I am breaking it this morning. So the producer better
You're
have a
breaking the
segment.
balloon?
No,
You're
I'm breaking
breaking
the
a
record.
physical
No, I'm breaking the
vinyl.
record. So I hope the producer have a 12-minute slot for this because 11 minutes, keep up 3 of them one time. Boom, 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 boom. I am going into the Guinness Book of Records this morning. Hot topics first before we go any
The
record.
Pepsi Book of Records, that's probably where you're going to end up. Anyway, no laughing matter here, folks. Listen up.
Oh, ministry urges caution as dengue cases spike, fatalities confirmed, which is not good news. Dengue actually give you a fever, right?
Yeah.
Actually. So how you know the difference between a regular flu with fever or just a fever?
Well, there are
How you know
attendant
it's
symptoms. I think it comes with like belly pain
Yeah.
and some other distinctive factors, but it can be confused for the regular fever unless usually you're encouraged to get a blood test.
Yep.
Because the thing with dengue, if you feel like you're getting flu or you're getting fever, you might go take
Yep.
some kind of over-the-counter medication that you ought not to take, because it's really only Panadol, I think, that's safe with dengue, and anything else can harm or kill you. The kids especially are susceptible. This is my plea to the parents and the guardians. The kids are particularly susceptible because the hemorrhagic fever causes bleeding under the skin and some other symptoms that can prove fatal in children. So parents, if you have children in the house, I've been seeing the mosquitoes on the increase. I spray up iron with holy pot off. There's some mosquito bands that you can put on the kids. If you have areas where there's water, you might want to clean those out. But I know the ministry has stepped up their campaign, no? They have people who are teams, increased teams going out into the highly affected communities, which are where, did they say? I think it's St. Catherine and...
St. Catherine, Westmoreland, and St. Anne. It says Kingston and St. Andrew currently have the highest number of reported cases.
Lord
and they said
have
all the
mercy.
parishes have been adversely affected, include St. Catherine, Westmoreland, and St. Anne. So to answer my question, sudden high fever, these are the symptoms, severe headaches, pain behind the eyes, severe joint and muscle pain, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, skin rash, mild bleeding, they said, such as nosebleed, bleeding gums, or easy bruising. By the way, the Honorable Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, said that for December, there were 123 reported cases. This number includes suspected, presumed, and confirmed cases. The number also exceeds the outbreak threshold of 96. He noted, too, that 7 deaths have been reported since the start of the season, 2 of which have been confirmed as dengue-related. Wow.
It's really scary.
Yeah.
And it is Egyptian mosquito.
Yeah.
And even as kids head back into school, sometimes there are mosquitoes in the classrooms, there are kids who get sick there, same mosquito bite and all that. You just have to take all the precautions you can.
Yeah.
You know, there are some people who are very upset with the ministry and with the minister because they think they took too long to call it. There are people who've been saying for a good while that they suspect that this is an outbreak because the cases have been on the rise. But really and truly, at the end of the day, you have to take your own health into your own hands. So make sure your surroundings are as mosquito-free as possible, no breeding sites for them with the water and so on. And make sure you try and protect your body.
And the ministry says they're allocating an additional $250 million to support enhanced measures to contain the spread. There you go. We move on. Mandela Highway traffic lights out of service due to vandalism. Whew. For the second time in less than 5 months, traffic signals have been rendered inoperable by vandals. Boy.
What are they, Stephen, exactly?
I don't know if it's the lights.
Cable?
I don't know if it's the cable or the lights. Yes, he said that an assessment of the infrastructure at the location revealed that the signal cables which operate the lights had been burnt. He said the fire also destroyed the pull box which housed the cables, the traffic signal cabinet, and parts of the mast arms on which the lights are situated. And the repairs will cost some $1.25 million. Wow.
Why, people? What? And it's saying, the story is saying that was deliberate?
Yep. Well, they say vandalism, so vandalism is deliberate. So there you go.
No wonder if it did burn out. This is that's crazy.
It's madness, man. What's the last one?
Remove demeaning social media posts on the state of emergency. The political ombudsman is urging. There's been some back and forthing on social media over the ending of the SOE. Donna Parchment Brown, who's a political ombudswoman, is calling on officials and supporters of both parties to take down the posts that are seeking to demean and distort. She did a release from her office urging party supporters to instead put forward material that will help the government and the opposition leaders to arrive at the best course of action for Jamaica to increase the welfare of all Jamaicans. The language, products, actions, and reactions on a social media platform must be responsible and just as accountable as in other media spaces, notwithstanding the fact that faces are hidden by a screen. So
it's, well,
I suspect it will continue. A lot of that has been going on for sure.
It's interesting that you said ombudswoman. I was watching the United States government yesterday. Nancy Pelosi, the first and only woman to be the Speaker of the House, and she did it before.
Twice.
And, she did it twice. But it's interesting that when the gentleman is announcing, he says, the gentleman, like you said, the gentleman from Trenchtown. And then he says the gentlewoman, which I've never heard. Because usually they say the lady. I think in England they say the lady. But then he said the gentleman from St. Andrew. And then he said the gentlewoman from Montego Bay. So I said, gentlewoman? But usually if there's a woman in a
chair position, head
position, they say chairman.
Usually denotes the
they
male.
But that must be chairwoman.
I think so.
Gentlewoman. I kind of like it. So Nancy Pelosi, no, the Democrats run the Senate. So
the House.
Donald.
The House. Republicans have the Senate.
Yeah.
The Democrats have the House. Should be interesting from here. Bet you.
No, I'm asking.
Bet you. Let me know.
That the Democrats have the Senate?
Democrats have the House. Republicans have the Senate.
Democrats have the Senate.
How much you betting? How much are you betting? Right?
One drink, a soft drink. All right, I want
You
drink.
don't soft,
No, I can't
Virgin.
gamble.
Yeah, go hard or you go home. What's you betting?
A case of soft drink. Then how much harder you want me go? You want my money, and I don't gamble like that.
Moscato? I'm not a sweet wine
Can
person.
I tell you what course is it?
No.
Of course.
Please
Somebody
don't.
can lock up course. Happy birthday to Myrtle Jones. It's coming
think I
from
know exactly
husband
what
Clement
Coulson
and
said,
the rest of the
actually.
family. Miss Myrtle is Marissa's grandma. So, Grandma, I hope you have a great day today. And I pray that you will live to see many, 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 many more. Birthday greetings to be sent to Daniel and Joel. They are twins. They're celebrating their birthday today. Greetings from Mom Kerry, Grandma Bloomfield, Auntie Celia, Shakisha, Cousin Ashley. Here they are right here. So this is Daniel and Joel. Daniel is the boy, and Joel, obviously, is the girl. And they're twins. Yeah? I have grand twinnies. There you go. My grand twinnies are Isaiah and Elijah. And they say, hey, Grandpa. I love it. Have any?
Yes.
You do?
I do. I have one from Auntie Landa.
Who's Auntie Landa?
She used to teach my pumpkin.
Who's your pumpkin?
Wishing her, my pumpkin is my daughter.
Oh, okay.
Has a cousin visiting from Canada. His name is Shane, celebrating a birthday today. So Shane, your Auntie Landa wishes you a fantastic day today. Are you finished?
Happy birthday, folks. Have a great day today.